What do you know about Star Trek, big man? The saga continues. If you recall to the very first video of 2019, I got rid of half of my wardrobe. It was very dramatic. And then I was thinking to myself, well, now I've got to replace my wardrobe. And that's when the shopping tips idea came about. Now, when was the last time that I actually did latest pickups? I don't even think I've stepped in a retail store since 2017. But I have to admit, the whole experience was really refreshing. I've been in and out of charity shops for about 4 years now. So it's just nice every now and then to buy something new. Sustainable fashion enthusiasts are going absolutely ragged right now. Moving on, as you can see in the background here, we filled up the rail a little bit. There's still loads of black in my wardrobe. It's just a consistent mood for me now, so I've just accepted it. But before we jump into these latest pickups, I just want to give a shout out to today's sponsor, Dawnwatches. Dawnwatches is a minimalist style watch brand. You can find all of their stuff online. They've got some really nice watch faces in some very smart colorways. You've got the black, the silver, the gold, it's all there. They're really nice clean watches. You can stunt a subtle flex. And I just really love the fact that they've got these interchangeable straps as well. So you can customize these watches however you want. And if this is something that you're interested in, then my guy, I can help you out with a code for free shipping worldwide. When you get to the checkout, just type in sickmate and boom, free worldwide delivery. But wait, it's all well and good me talking about these watches, but what do they look like? I'm glad you asked, fam, because today's first pickup of the day is in fact a brand new watch and strap supplied by Dawnwatches. So the first thing that I really like about these watches is the fact that they come in little black boxes. You've got the Dawn logo on the front there, looking very nice, very professional and all of that, very sleek. Very a lot of things by the sounds of it. And of course the strap is here as well, minding its own business. But let's open up the box, big man. So I opted for the black and gold watch because, you know, I'm all about my black and gold recently. So let's just take it out. We'll have a closer look at the watch. Here is the watch in all of its glory. You got a nice thick strap, gold casing on the back, front looking very, very nice, very clean. Strap is very nice as well, genuine leather. Let's see what it looks like on, big man. It feels really nice on my wrist as well. Adjustable strap for small man wrists and big man wrists alike. Let's just move this light so we can get a quick close up of the watch here. The front looking very suave, the back looking very clean. Genuine leather, big man. And of course you can see the Dawn logo on the back of the face there. Mad. So now that we've seen the watch, big man, what about the strap? So the strap comes in a nice little box as well, Dawn logo for them. Open it up and we can see what kind of strap I opted for, and look at that, big man. We've got the gold strap and it comes with a little screwdriver as well, just in case you want to build a small house while you're at it. The straps are really easy to swap out. You just push back these pins, the straps are now off. You take your new straps on your watch, boom, just like that, gold strap, gold watch. The metal strap is adjustable as well for your information. So if you're interested in Dawn watches, I will leave a link in the description down below to their entire collection. And of course, at the checkout, use the discount code SICKMATE for free worldwide delivery. Mad. So the next item that I have to show you guys is something you have seen before, but it is technically my first pickup of 2019. This Burberry t-shirt. Now, I actually went into the Burberry store and got this last time I was in London. It was £180. It's easily one of my favorite t-shirts I've ever bought. Someone asked me in the comments if I thrifted this, and I wish. The whole process of getting this shirt was an absolute madness as well. If you ever go into the Burberry store in London, it's a whole different customer experience. Like, big man, do you want to see the bag it came in? They gave me this super fancy gift bag. This green thing was like a ribbon. It came in tissue paper with a nice Burberry stamp on it, and my receipt came in an envelope. So that was the shopping experience, but what about the t-shirt, big man? The actual t-shirt itself is really comfortable to wear. It's a size large because cozy boys for life, even in luxury clothing. I always thought when I saw this t-shirt online that the front was printed, but it's not, it's embroidered. So there it is, it's super clean. Whether it's worth £180 is down to you. Nice little close-up of the label there. This collection has been out for a while now. I know they do slight variations of the shirt. You can get it in grey, and they've got the tracksuit bottoms as well, all with the same kind of logo. I love the fact that Burberry is really embracing their casual wear. Something like this is a subtle flex, and I can whack it on as well. I don't really have to try too hard with this. Burberry of London, big man things, hold tight this t-shirt. So my next latest pickup is this Sailor Moon hoodie. I got this for Christmas. I absolutely love it. It was a complete surprise. I didn't ask for it, but this is exactly what I wanted. It's a size extra large because baggy boys for life. Got a Sailor Moon print on the front here, looking very vintage, but it's not vintage. Sailor Moon with a moon wand on the moon. It's just a nice simple graphic on the front of the hoodie. That's literally it, but I love it because of its simplicity. This is Anime 101. Quick close-up of the graphic there for you. Sailor Moon just doing her thing. I have so many black hoodies, but this is definitely gonna be in my rotation. It makes a great layering piece and I love it on its own as well. It even throws a couple of people off. Like when I wear it and I'm walking around doing my daily business, people's eyes are often drawn to the hoodie and then they look at me like I shouldn't be wearing the hoodie, but it's mad. Like Christmas present as well, cannot go wrong. So hold tight, the Sailor Moon hoodie. So the next couple of items that I have to show you is from the man himself, Jake Daniels, and his brand new brand, cauitivar. He was very nice to send me a care package of his hoodie and the black cauitivar t-shirt with a little print on the collar, which I really like. We'll start off with the t-shirt. You may have seen this layered in an Instagram picture that I took last week. Big man, I'm not just saying it because me and Jake are friends, but these t-shirts are really comfy. They're really nice. I love the subtle graphic on the collar here. It just adds a little something when I'm layering it. Feel very suave while wearing it. He did a very good job with this t-shirt. I have to admit, my favorite piece is in fact the hoodie. Like this is a cozy hoodie, fam. Like it doesn't need any drawstrings because it knows it's perfect as it is. You've got the cauitivar logo there in the middle. It's a very nice oversized hoodie as well. What size did you give me, big man? A large, bruv. He knows me, innit? You can tell I've got a thing for black hoodies at the moment. And if you want to get one for yourself, I will leave a link in the description down below. So hold tight, Jake Daniels and cauitivar. Topman tapered trousers. They already come with accessories. They've got the nice little wallet chain, which everyone was rocking last year. You've got the nice little ring accessory there as well. Combined, they're a madness. And the trousers also come with its own belt, which I think is a nice touch. Of course, you can detach it and add your own belt, but I think it kind of adds a little something. You know, they're all silver accessories and you've got like the silver buckle there as well. And I'm really surprised with Topman, but I think it's probably more down to the fact that I haven't been to a retail store in ages. So I was pleasantly surprised with this. It's a size 30 small. They're £42 at the moment. I think it's new season. These trousers, I can tell I'll be wearing a lot. All of the action is at the front here. Look at those accessories. It's a really nice material as well. I like the composition of it all. What are you made out of, fam? Polyester and viscose. It's Harrison herringbone, mad. A really nice pair of trousers if I do say so myself, but let's move on to the next one, big man. So next we have a pair of trousers from Zara. I got these on sale. They're having a big massive trousers sale at the moment. These were originally like £59, but I got these for £9.99. Size 30 as well. Keep consistent sizes throughout the board. It says on the inside here, Zara Fall Winter 18, last year's things. But people really are jumping on the trousers trend at the moment, like check trousers, dog tooth trousers, smart trousers in general, that kind of thing. And I think it's a really good look. I mean, what better way to style the tucked in t-shirt than with a pair of smart trousers? It's got a really nice subtle pattern on them as well. I don't know if you can see there, but they've got like a really nice subtle burgundy line going down as well as the stripes. So Zara absolutely smashed it with this pair of trousers. So the last pair of trousers is from Zara once again. I actually bought these in store yesterday and these are a little bit louder. These are a little bit bolder, but again, still keeping on the trousers trend. There's all sorts of patterns happening in this pair of trousers. In my opinion, this will look really nice with the Burberry top. Subtle clean flex, all the business is down the bottom there. It's a really nice fit as well. I know a lot of these smart trousers are like skinny fits, but I like mine a little bit more baggy, slim to straight fit, tapered as well. You can still probably catch these on a Zara website, or if you just so happen to pass Zara, you might have them still in your size. A quick close-up for them so you can just see the details in a little bit more detail. So those were the Zara trousers. So that was it for the latest pickups. But what kind of latest pickup video would this be if I didn't talk about Sick Mate merch? Because technically they're a latest pickup. I teased the first t-shirt and didn't talk about the second. So let me show you both t-shirts in a little bit more detail. So firstly, we have this very, very nice t-shirt. Thank you, have a nice day. But just to quickly show you what these t-shirts are really about, look at this design at the front here. You've got a Greek statue holding up a bag that says have a nice day. Maybe she's been thrifting. She's got the nice little flip phone there as well. And it's just an absolute madness. I'm so happy with the way that they turned out. Big man, here is a close-up of the design. Sick off, sick off, sick off. Sick mate merch coming very, very soon. And of course, you saw me wear the little young David t-shirt. Michelangelo David bust with some sick off face tattoos inspired by SoundCloud rappers. The general consensus of the t-shirts are like modern titans, but enough about that. Quick close-up for you. This is David in all of his glory. So both of these t-shirts will be available very, very soon. There's 48 of each, and I will be doing more sick mate merch just because I really enjoyed the process and I loved how these turned out. So hold tight all of today's latest pickups. 2019, I think we've started off really, really strong. Just fashion in general, there's a lot going on. I think it's in a really good place at the moment, and picking up new items of clothing has never been easier. I will be putting links of my pickups where available. Most would be affiliate links. I do get a tiny commission when you click them. Let me know in the comment section which one of these latest pickups was your favorite. What items have you been picking up recently? Or if there's any items that you want to buy, leave all of your comments down below. I do read them all. Let's start a conversation, fam. If you like what I do here and you want to support the channel, then press the little subscribe button. And if you want to get notified when I upload new videos, then press the little bell icon as well. And with that being said, I'm going to play some Jump Force, so bye.